How to join Fantasy Premier League with code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to join Fantasy Premier League with code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To join a league in Fantasy Premier League with code, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Go ahead and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Leagues and Cups tab and further tap on the Create and Join New Leagues and Cups option. Since we want to join an existing league and cup, tap on the Join a League and Cup button and then tap on the Join Invitational League and Cup button. Now, tap on the league code text box and enter the code and further tap on the Join League button and you will be joined to that particular league. So, this is how you can join FPL League with code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.